Description: HeatProof Anti-Frizz Blow-Dry Cream is an anti-frizz styling cream for creating smooth, silky hair with heat protection and style memory. Reduces blow-dry time and protects your color with mild control and natural shine. Benefits: medium hold blow-dry cream restores shine and smoothness to frizzy hair while helping create shape and control. Suggested use: apply evenly to damp hair. Comb through and style as desired. Style finish system: color care doesn't stop when you step out of the shower. ColorProof provides layered protection through every step of your routine. Imagine, create and perfect your style with the strength, protection and control you crave to master your craft. HeatProof Anti-Frizz Blow-Dry Cream. Crafting pomade texture plus hold plus shine. Texture charge color protect texture plus finishing spray. Control Crave styling cream. Rule breaker firm flexible wax. Fiber blast texture cream. Power sculpt hard hold gel. Fresh start soft dry shampoo. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my travel bag. I love this product. I wash my hair once every 4 days. It lasts for several months and is perfect for my travel bag.